Guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crop your videos on CapCut PC. So let's begin. So here we are in our CapCut PC, and here is our clip that we want to crop right here. So for example, it's this one. So all you have to do, basically, it's very simple. All you have to do is select your clip that you want to crop and select the crop button right here, just above your clip right here, just above your timeline. Click on it right here. And this window would pop up right here, and you can just adjust how you want to crop your footage right here, or you can see you can also use the presets right here that is available for you. So if you want it to be 1:1, 3:4, 9:16 right here, this is for YouTube Shorts or for Instagram Reels right here. You can also use this right here, or you could just go and crop it however you'd want. So let's say we'll be cropping it with 9:16 right here, and you want to click on confirm. And by the way, you can also rotate it if you'd want to, just like this one right here. But yeah, if you need it, then you can do it right here. And once you're done, you want to click on confirm right here. And as you can see, it's now cropped into 9:16 as we have wanted. And if you want it back, you can simply click crop again. And then you can go click on reset and then confirm, and now it's back. And yeah, that is basically how simple it is. So you can just crop it however you'd want right here, and that is basically it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.